Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. DEO Nalgonda. Today we are going to discuss about our 6th class 5th unit, Plant a Tree. Be reading If a Tree Could Talk. What is our poem name? If a Tree Could Talk. Okay. Children, we read our poem. Let us start our poem. If a tree could talk, what would it say? Don't chop me down, just walk away. If a river could talk, what would it say? Don't dump in trash, throw it away. If the air could talk, what would it say? The factories must learn to keep smoke away. If the animals could talk, what would they say? Help us to live, we wish to stay. If the earth could talk, what would it say? Protect me by making every day Earth Day. Okay, children, let us start our poem. Let us start read poem rhythmically. If a tree could talk, what would it say? If a tree could talk, what would it say? Don't chop me down, just walk away. If a river could talk, what would it say? If a river could talk, what would it say? Don't dump in trash, throw it away. If the air could talk, what would it say? If the air could talk, what would it say? The factories must learn to keep smoke away, to keep smoke away. If the animals could talk, what would they say? If the animals could talk, what would they say? Help us to live, we wish to stay. Help us to live, we wish to stay. If the earth could talk, what would it say? If the earth could talk, what would it say? Protect me by making every day Earth Day. Every day Earth Day. Okay, children. In our poem, one tree could talk. Okay, actually human beings are talking. Sometimes parrots, minors also talking. But in our lesson, trees can talk. Trees express their feelings. Okay, look at this picture. What the man is doing? Oh, yes, you are right. He cuts the tree. Almost all. He cut all the branches of the tree. And he starts cutting down the trunk. Okay. But what you observe in that picture? Is the tree happy? Yes, you are right, children. The tree is not happy. It is crying. When we observe keenly, it is crying. Yes, when we cut the trees are crying like us. If we get pain, we also cry. So, in this poem, tree also crying. Why is it crying? I think in our poem, it says, don't chop me down. Don't cut me down. Sometimes we also cut our fingers while we are playing. Sometimes we also got some wounds while we are playing. In that time, we cried at this, as in this time, trees also crying. Okay. So, we are going to discuss deeply in this poem. Okay, children, you keep this poem in your brain. Let us start our poem. Okay, look at this picture. what is he doing? He cut the trunk of the tree. Okay, he used one mission also. Why? Can you guess why is he cut the tree? As we cut all the trees and we are making furniture. We are making so many things like table, chair, as well as sofa. Okay, so he cut the tree. Not only one man cut tree. Sometimes this is their livelihood also. Okay, and look at the second picture. Oh, what are they doing? They cut the tree in rounds. Okay, it is one technical way. They are also using this tree for their furniture. Okay, it is one industry. Nowadays, all homes or all houses filled with furniture. So, we have to cut trees. Sometimes farmers and like this man also cut trees. Are you like cutting trees, children? Yes, I also don't want cut trees. Okay. And again, you look at this picture. What is he doing? He cut tree, but he used some type of material to grow that one. Nowadays we have to cut trees, but when we have to cut trees, please remake that. Okay, and when we have to cut trees, we have to plant trees also. Okay, if we have to cut one tree, you have to plant 3 trees instead of 1 tree. Okay, children, are you understand? Don't cut the trees and don't chop the trees. Okay, children, you look at that picture. What it is? How to safely cut down a tree and make it fall where you want. Okay, sometimes in technical way they use it this way, but don't cut it down actually. But nowadays we are using so many things from trees. So we have to plant trees also. We have to plant plants also. Okay, children, anybody have garden in your house? Okay, I also have one garden in my home. So you keep gardens in your homes. Okay, children, next one. If a river could talk, what would it say? Don't dump in trash, throw it away. If a river, in this time, river could talk. Okay, what would it say? Don't dump trash, throw it away. What is the meaning of dump? Can you guess? Okay, look at this one. What is a dump? To let fall in a pile. To let fall in a pile. To let waste material in a pile. That is the dump. What is the chop? To cut. Okay, children, what is the trash? It is a verb. What is the meaning of trash? Something that is worthless and of low quality material. Okay, what is the throw? Throw also sling. Sometimes we played. What we played? Throwing ball. Javelin throw. Throw means to sling. Next one, keep. Keep away. Keep away. To keep an object from more others. That is the keep. Next one, protect. Protect means keep safe from harm. Keep safe from harm. Okay, again we observe glossary. What is the first one? Chop. Chop is to cut. Dump. Dump nothing but to let fall in a pile. Trash. Something that is worthless and of low quality. Throw. Throw is sling. Keep. To keep an object from more others. Keep away nothing but to keep an object from more others away. And protect. Keep safe from harm or injury. Keep safe from injury also. That is the protect. And children, look at this one. Oh, this is polluted water. It came from factories. Oh, horrible it is. All the water polluted only. It is came from one pipe. Do you observe that one? Okay, and that water also very dirty. Can you guess where it came from? As children, it came from factories. So all the factories polluted our rivers. Almost all, did you observe one thing? All the factories built nearby rivers or river by ponds. Because of the reason is it is. Okay. So factories polluted our rivers. Rivers nothing but water, ponds. And look at this one. Oh, in this time, polluted water also have some plastic material. Oh, it is very, very dirty thing. Plastic materials also polluted our water. How they polluted water? Plastic is a very, very most dangerous material. At the same time, it contains, these water bottles contains harmful material, harmful liquids. So these liquids are came from the bottles. Okay, so these are also pollutants of our water. How many bottles were there? Oh, there is one ship also. Okay, and look at that one picture. What do you see in this picture? Some fishes are there, some plastic bags, masks, some soap materials, wrappers, like that. We all are dump, we all are throw that pollutant, plastic material into water. Don't do that one, children. It is very harmful to water animals. In this time, all the water animals also died because of these type of pollutants. Pollutants are nothing but plastic material. Okay, children, did you understand? So don't dump trash into water. And the third one, what the third one? If the air could talk, what would it say? What would it say? The factories must learn to keep smoke away. The factories must learn to keep smoke away. What is the learn? We also learning something from teachers. Am I right? Okay, but in this time, factories must learn. Must nothing but should. compulsory. Oh, what do you see in this picture? The smoke came from big factories. That smoke polluted all the air in the uh, air. Okay, it is very horrible thing. It is dangerous thing. Have you ever seen this picture nearby your villages or nearby your surroundings? I think the nearby big cities they understood this one easily. They can understood this one easily. Okay, this is a smoke came from factories, and that smoke has so many pollutants that carbon monoxide like that. So it smokes that type of smoke polluted our air. What do you see in this picture? It is one factory. Okay, sometimes we see these pictures nearby our villages, like our rice mills, like that. At the same time, making plastic material also. Have you ever seen making plastic materials factories? Sometimes we get rice from rice mills. Rice mills also polluted our air. But the factories must learn to keep smoke away. Why? How? How can they keep? Just that pipe height, when we keep that height of pipe, we keep smoke away. Okay. Oh, it is very, very dangerous. All the city polluted by this air. All the city. Please observe keenly this one. It is nearby that town. So factories also, we have to build factories away from the towns. It is very useful of the town people. Okay, in the future you keep this one. Okay, so don't use this type of factories. Okay, and what is the fourth one? Our poem, in our poem, what is the fourth one? Talk. What is the fourth one, children? If the animals could talk, what would they say? Animals also could talk. Okay, we hear only parrots, minnows to talk. But our 6th class first unit, all the animals could talk. Did you remember that one? Help us to live, we wish to stay. Okay, please remind that one. What is our first unit? Peace and harmony. You are right. In that one, animals could talk. All the animals could talk. Talking, dancing, gymnastics. They doing gymnastics like that. Okay, what do you see in this picture? On elephant, monkey. Okay, like that. They are also affected by these pollutants like air, polluted water. At the same time, plastic waste material, they pollute. Sometimes we can see all the animals wandering in our towns, wandering on the roads. Have you ever seen that picture? All animals are affected by plastic materials. Sometimes they ate plastic covers also. It is very harmful to animals. So please keep plastic material from animals. What do you see in this picture? Our earth has so many animals. We have to protect our animals. So please control our pollution, either air pollution or soil, water, river pollution. Because of we are drinking mineral water, but animals are drinking river water. Actually, we say our rivers are polluted. So that polluted water water pollutes or cause ill health of animals. So please don't dump trash in the rivers. At the same time, our animals wish also to stay live. We want to live. Okay, some animals are endangered. Sometimes we cannot see some type of animals. Can you guess what is the endangered species of this time? We cannot see cheetahs and tigers. Sometimes we cannot see a rhino and the wild bear like that. So don't pollute air. At the same time, air also polluted animals. Animals breathe that polluted air, they will be die. So don't polluted air, don't polluted river, don't polluted rivers. Okay. What is the fourth one? Fifth one. If the earth could talk, what would it say? The last one. If the earth could talk, what would it say? Yes, in first unit, the earth poem we also read. In this poem, earth could also talk, protect me by making every day earth day. We make earth days. What do you see in this picture? All the soil broke. Okay, it is very dry. Why it became that one, that type of drying? There is no rainfall. There are no trees, there is no rainfall. So all the soil became polluted and dried. Okay, don't dump plastic material, waste material into soil also. Earth also cried. Tree also cried and earth also cried. Okay, it is very horrible situation for us. Okay, look at this picture, children. That polluted water affected this plant. Already that soil broke and polluted water also affected these plants. The soil also bothered about pollutants, pollution. Where we get our rice, where we get our wheat, where we get our fruits, from the soil only. So we must to keep our soil safely. Are you understood, children? We must keep our soil safely. Okay. And what it says, making every day earth day. What we did earth day. Okay, look at this picture. Oh, the soil. How many types of animals lived in the soil? There are so many earthworms, nails, like that. So many animals also live under the soil. So don't throw plastic material into soil. They affected soil animals also. So earth also very essential for us because we all gets from earth only. So don't throw plastic material into earth. Okay, children, are you understand? Okay, again we discuss orally. our poem. First one, tree could talk. What it say? Don't chop. Tree, don't chop me down. And the second one, river, don't dump in trash. What it says? Don't dump in trash. What is the third one? Air. What it say? Factories must learn to keep smoke away. To keep smoke away. What is the fourth one? Animals. What would they say? They wish to stay. Please help them. And the last one, if the earth could talk, what would it say? Protect me by making every day Earth Day. So what we did on the Earth Day, we also have to do all the days. That is the Earth wish. Okay, children. Our poem has 5 items. First one tree, second one river, third one air, fourth one animals, and the fifth one earth. What is the first one? Tree. Tree says don't chop. What is the second one? River. River says don't dump in trash. What is the third one? Air. Air says to keep smoke away. And the fourth one, animals. Animal says help us to live. They wish to stay. And the last one, earth. Earth says by making every day Earth Day. Okay, I hope you are understood, children. Okay, children, thank you. You must keep this poem in your brain. It is very simple poem. Am I right, children? Only 5 things are here. Tree, river, air, animals, earth. Tree, river, air, animals, earth. Okay, children. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes DEO Nalgonda. Today we are going to discuss about our 6th class 5th unit, that is plant a tree vocabulary. That is a page number 64. Okay, in this vocabulary section we have 3 sessions. First one is match the following. Look at in this picture. Match things in part A with their uses or meanings in part B. Let us start part A. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, starch, sap, vapor. 5 words are here. At the same time, in the part B, important part of our food produced by trees, juice or milk from a tree, useful for human life, water drops in the air, useful for trees. First of all, when we match the part A with part B, first allot A, B, C, D, E into part B meanings. First of all, you allot A, important part of our food produced by trees, and B, juice or milk from a tree, and the C, useful for human life, D, water drops in the air, and E, useful for trees. Let us check. What is the first one? Oxygen. Have you ever heard about oxygen? Yes, children, we use oxygen for our breathing. This is essential for all the living things, especially human beings. Okay. What is the usage of carbon dioxide? Very good, children. It is used trees. It is used by trees. Trees used this carbon dioxide and prepared their food as well as our food also. We well known about oxygen and carbon dioxide in our plant a tree in the air reading. Oxygen used by human beings, at the same time all living animals, and the second one carbon dioxide used by trees. Okay, what is the third one? Starch. Okay, what is starch? In our A reading, we discussed about this starch. This is made by trees. This is food, one type of food. It contains all the proteins, vitamins, like that carbohydrates also it has. All these type of proteins, carbohydrates and vitamins have include in starch. And the fourth one, sap. What is a sap? In our A reading, we heard one tree about milk tree. Okay, that milk tree sap used as like as milk. And the last one, vapor. We well known about vapor. We sometimes saw water vapor in our kitchen. Like that, when we cooked rice, we saw water vapor bottom of the lid. At the same time, when we use hot water over making bath, that time also we saw water vapor. Okay, after 100 degrees boiling of water, we can see water vapor. Okay, we well known about this one. So match that one. Oxygen. What is the oxygen? It is useful for human life, that is C. And carbon dioxide. Okay, it is useful for trees. And the third one, starch. We well known about it is an important part of our food that is produced by trees. And the sap, it is a juice or milk from a tree. And the vapor, what is the vapor? Water drops in the air. Where we can see vapor? At the bottom of the lid. Oh, okay. Children, our oxygen, carbon dioxide, starch, sap, vapor. Match these one. First one, C, A, C, E, A, B, D. Okay, children. Let us start. We will go to second session. Prepare a mind map related to furniture and medicinal plants. First of all, we discuss about furniture. Which type of furniture you used in your home? Children, tell about furniture. We daily use it in our homes. Okay, table, door. Next, chair. Okay, where we sit in the school? Bench. Very good. And where we sit in our homes, in our halls? Sofa. Okay, where we eat? At the dining table. Where we carry sick persons? Where we carry sick persons in hospitals? Yes, very good. Wheelchair. And where we ready for any occasion? Yes, you are right. Dressing table. And where we keep our things? Where we keep our things like our toys, dolls, like that. Where we keep? Cupboard. Okay. How can we see outside of the members? Through the window. Very good. So, our furniture, some type of furnitures are there. We use our trees for furniture. Again, we discuss about this one. First one is the table. And what is the main thing in home? How we can enter the room? How can we enter the classroom? How we can enter the home? Through the door. Okay, write down door. First one is the door. And the second one, where the teacher sits? Chair. where the where we sit in the classroom? Bench. Okay. Where we sit in the home, especially in hall, in living room, where we sit? Sofa. And where we eat? Dining table. Where we how can we carry sick persons in the hospital? At the in the wheelchair. Okay. Okay. And next one is the where we can keep our things, our dolls, our toys, like that. Cupboard. And two are there. What are they? Another one is, as it is very important for us, that is the dressing table. And sometimes we sit nearby window and we can see all the things outside. That is the window. Okay, write down furniture things. Just you draw a map in your brain. Okay, children, where we draw? We draw a mind map. Furniture, table, door, chair, bench, sofa, dining table, wheelchair, dressing table, cupboard, window. So many type of furniture are used by us in daily life also. Okay, you write another things also. Okay, children, did you understand? And okay, we are going to third one, medicinal plants. Have you ever heard about medicinal plants? Yes, we hear in our reading. Okay, do you know neem tree? We well known about neem tree. Our schools has neem trees. Our homes also has neem trees. We well known about neem tree. We use neem sticks. We use neem trunk also. Okay, can you guess another medicinal plant? We use a cinchona plant also medicinal plant. We use a cinchona water sap in our medicine. Okay, and we will learn about one medicinal plant in our kitchen. What is that one? Oh, when we prepare our oil rice, what things we use? Medicinal plant, bud, that one. Oh, children, it is right. Clove. And third one. Well, what is the use of medicinal plants? What is the use of medicinal plants? It is used as a medicine. Okay, daily we use one thing in our curries. What is that one? When we get a cold, our moms always give this one. What is that one? Ginger. Yes, you are right. Ginger and garlic also medicinal plants. What are they? Ginger, garlic. Okay, next one. Sometimes we use perfumes. Okay, which type of flavor perfume you like? Sometimes we use rose, sometimes lily, sometimes jasmine. But sometimes we use lavender. Okay, this is also medicinal plant. It kills bacteria also. It kills germs, viruses. Okay. Next one. one plant we use in summer. In summer, okay, what is that one? When we get thirsty, which type of drink we use? Lemon juice. Yes, lemon also medicinal plant. And which type of plant we use our face products or our hair oils? In these days we use this one more. Aloe vera. Okay, aloe vera also medicinal plant. And another one, belladonna. Do you know belladonna? It is also medicinal plant used in medicine. And another one is eucalyptus. What is that one? Eucalyptus. It is also used in medicine in the type of oil. When we get pains, joint pains, we use eucalyptus oil. Okay, children, what are the medicinal plants? Neem tree, eucalyptus tree, cinchona, clove, garlic, ginger, lavender, lemon, aloe vera, belladonna. Okay, what are the uses of medicinal plants? Sometimes we get sickness. So, in those days, we already read about Charaka Samhita and we use Ayurvedic medicines. In Ayurvedic medicines, they prepared from medicinal plants. They prepared medicine from medicinal plants. So almost all our Indians used these medicinal plants as medicines. Not only in Indians, all over the world, all countries also used medicinal plants as medicine. Okay, especially in corona time, we use medicinal plants like ginger, garlic, lemon. Do you use? Okay, you write all the medicinal plants. And we are going to our grammar part. Look at this one, page number 66. In our grammar part, we have if class. First, you read that one. Look at the following sentence from the lesson. If you look at the trunk of a cut down tree carefully, you will find the rings. When we look at the trunk of a cut down tree carefully, we saw carefully, you will find the rings. Okay. The condition introduced by if. This condition, what is the condition? You look at the trunk of a cut down tree. That is the condition. Okay. It is a real possibility whose result or effect is felt in the second part of the above sentence. What is the second part of the above sentence? You will find the rings. Okay. When we use one condition, the result in the second sentence. First you write first condition in the first sentence and you will get the result of the first condition in the second sentence. Okay. Note the following points about if clauses. Where we use if clause. This is the clause. Okay. First condition is an if clause is also known as a conditional clause. It is also known as a conditional clause. It is the another name of a if clause, that is the conditional clause. It expresses a condition or cause whose result or effect is expressed or felt in the second part of the sentence. Okay, we well known about this one. First sentence has a condition and the second sentence has a result. Okay, and the second one is if the verb in the if clause is in the present tense, the other clause, the main clause, the second clause, it is used as a will plus verb. Look at the first sentence. If you look at the trunk of a cut down tree carefully. If you look is the V1. Look is the V1. V1 nothing but it is in the present tense. Okay. When condition is in the present tense, the result, when we write result, you must write will plus V1. Will plus verb. Okay, what is the result? You will plus find. Will plus find the rings. Okay. Third one, an if clause can be placed either at the beginning or at the end of the main class. If clause, it is placed either beginning or at the end of the main class. Okay, when we write if clause, if, especially if word, if class, first you write beginning, otherwise you write after the main class. Are you understood, children? If it comes before the main class, it is followed by a comma. Okay, did you understand? If we write if clause at first, when we use if clause as a first sentence, we must put after if clause comma. We comma. Okay, we use a comma. And however, if it follows the main class, there will be no comma preceding the conditional clause. When we write if clause after main class, okay, after main class, we no need write of comma. Okay, you look at this picture. If you look at the trunk of a cut down tree, it is if clause. We use comma and write main clause. You will find the rings. Otherwise, in the second sentence, you look at the second sentence, we write first main clause. You will find the rings. Okay, there is no comma if you look at the trunk of a cut down tree. This is the condition when we write if clause. Okay, what is the present tense and comma. Okay, look at the examples of this one. First one I already have done. What is the first one? Work hard, you will get success. These are two sentences. Which one has if clause? Work hard. Okay, if you work hard, what is the result? You will get success. Otherwise, you won't get success. Okay, if you work hard, this is the condition. And what is the condition's result? You will get success. Okay, and the second one also add on. Don't tease the dog, it will bite you. If you tease the dog, it will bite you. First condition is if you tease the dog, what is the result? It will bite you. Okay. Third one, a child is being teased. I will try to help him. What is the condition? If child is teased, I will try to help him. That is the second one. Okay. Next, fourth one, study regularly, you will do well in the examination. We apply condition in first sentence. Study regularly. If you study regularly, you will do well. Otherwise, you won't do well in the examination. Okay. If we want to write main clause in the first sentence, you will do well in the examination. You study regularly. If you study regularly. Okay, this is the second one. And fifth one, give respect to others. They too will respect you. If you give respect to others, they will also respect you. Again, we also write this. They will also respect you if you give respect to others. Okay. Sixth one, it does not rain I will come to your house. It does not rain. If it does not rain, I will come to your house. Otherwise, I will come to your house. You no need to write comma if it does not rain. Seventh one, I feel sad. I express it to someone who cares. If you feel sad, comma, you express it to someone who cares. Otherwise, you express it to someone who cares if you feel sad. Okay, and the eighth one, I feel unsafe. I will ask a trusted adult for help. If you feel unsafe, if you feel unsafe, you will ask a trusted adult for help. When we write if condition first, you put comma after if condition sentence. Please remember this one, children. Don't forget that one. You will ask a trusted adult for help if you feel unsafe. Okay. Ninth one. I have a disturbing experience. I will discuss it with my family members. So I write, I will discuss it with my family members if I have a disturbing experience. Otherwise, I write, if you have a disturbing experience, comma, you will discuss it with your family members. Okay, children. Next, read regularly, you will get more knowledge. It is look like as our first one and fourth one. So you do, children. Next, 11th one, do your exercises promptly, you will not fail. This also as like as fourth one. Next, the last one, 12th one, go to bed early, you will be healthy. If you go to bed early, comma, you will be healthy. Otherwise, you will be healthy if you go to bed early. Okay, children, did you understand this one? We write two types. Okay. Next, in the second session, one table had given, you write that one, condition and result. Okay, if condition, what is the result will be happen. Okay, children, you look at this one carefully. If you do not water the plants, what will happen? They will die. And the second one, if you keep your surroundings clean, you will be healthy. Otherwise, you won't be healthy. First of all, we check if condition, it must be in present tense, and the result also, and the main clause must be in will plus verb form. Okay, this is the if first condition. Okay, what is the condition? If condition must have in present tense, and the result also in or main clause, result or main clause, it must be in the will plus verb form. Okay, what is the third one? Result all have done. We will pause the distinction. When we will pause with the distinction? If you study hard, you will pause with the distinction. Okay. Write down this one, children. Try to write second type of condition and result. What is the second type? First we write main clause and if condition. Okay, that is the second one. Already it had done with the first type of if clause. Okay, you write second type also, children. Okay, again we discuss today's class briefly. Okay, what is our first session? In our class, what is the first session? First session is the vocabulary. Okay, what is the first session? First session is the vocabulary. You write down vocabulary. What is the use of oxygen, carbon dioxide, starch, sap, vapor? What are the meanings of these five ones? Okay, and What is the important food of our food produced by trees? What is the juice or milk from a tree? What is the useful for human life? Where we can see water drops in the air, what it called as, and what is the useful for trees. This is our vocabulary. Please match this one and write down your textbooks carefully. And what is the second session? Mind mapping, that it includes furniture, which type of furniture we used in our homes, we discussed, table, door, chair, bench, sofa, dressing table, cupboard, another one, wheelchair, okay, bed, cot, next table, like that. And another mind mapping is here, that is the medicinal plants. You write medicinal plants. What are the medicinal plants? What we discussed, eucalyptus tree, cinchona, belladonna, ginger, garlic, clove, next lemon, aloe vera, perfumes, okay, lavender, like this, okay, children. And we discussed grammar part also. What is our grammar part? We discussed about if clause. If condition has two sentences or two clauses, these are the main condition. And if condition, when we write if condition first, after condition we put comma and then write main clause. Otherwise main clause first you write and no need of comma, and you write if clause. Okay, you write, you fill the second one, condition or result in the table also. Okay, it is your it is for your practice only. I think you understood very well. Okay, children, do very well and write down in your textbooks. Okay, children, I hope you are understood. Thank you very much.